What is AI? In simple terms, AI is a system that learns and adapts to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Some examples are understanding language, recognizing images, making predictions. While there are some that would, so it's like magic, it's not. It is a system of pattern recognition that allows the computer to do what we can. More detailed AI is a system that can simulate our human intelligence by utilizing algorithms and hardware, enabling machines to perform tasks that predominantly required human intelligence. Using data that has been input to create a storage that can be pulled from to make connections, allowing the data to mimic what we do with our reasoning ability. When it comes to AI, it has four main parts: learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. Its ability to learn is much like our own, in the sense that the more data and information it receives, the more it can draw from, and the more it can make connections from one data point to another. Later, we will look at how it learns in more detail. Its reasoning options are the second area it is becoming more adaptable. Using the connections and data from the learning repository, it can navigate the vast data amounts to find the relevant aspects for what is being asked of it. Problem-solving and decision-making are also within its abilities. Based on the pattern recognition and algorithms, the AI system is designed so that whether it's about reasoning, problem-solving, or decision-making, the ability to sort through and reach a desired result or perform a set task based on the data within allows it to perform or mimic humans. Before we look any further into the depths of AI, we need to take a brief look at how we got here today.